The Election Commission of India has launched a large-scale exercise called the Special Intensive Revision of Electoral Rolls, or SIR. But what exactly is it? Why should you care? And how can you make sure your right to vote isn't compromised? Let's break it down. SIR stands for Special Intensive Revision. It's a thorough, door-to-door verification of voter lists in selected states and union territories. Unlike the routine updates, this is a ground-up overhaul, aimed at ensuring no eligible citizen is left out, and no ineligible person remains on the roll. Why is this needed? Many rolls have grown outdated, due to migration, deaths, address changes, youth turning 18, and duplicate registrations. Without accurate rolls, the fairness of elections is at risk. The Election Commission's power to revise electoral rolls comes under Article 324 of the Constitution and Section 21 of the Representation of the People Act, 1950. In the current Phase 2 of SIR, the exercise covers 9 states: Chhattisgarh, Goa, Gujarat, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal, and 3 union territories, Andaman Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep and Puducherry. Together these involve around 51 crore electors across 321 districts and 1,843 assembly constituencies. Here's how SIR proceeds. Step 1. Free State. A cutoff date is set, for example the 27th of October 2025 in many states. The rolls as on that date form the basis. Step 2. Every elector whose name is on the roll as of the freeze date receives a pre-filled enumeration form via the booth-level officer who visits each household, often multiple visits. Step 3. Voter verification. You check your details: name, address, epoch number, photograph if any. If correct, you submit the form. If changes are required, you take the appropriate action. Step 4. After enumeration, a draft roll is published. If your name is missing or incorrect, you file a claim or objection. Then the final roll gets published. If you are a voter in a region undergoing SIR, here's what you must do. Visit the official portal, e.g. voters.eci.gov.in or state CEO website to check if your name appears in the current roll. When the BLO visits with your enumeration form, check your details carefully: name, epoch number, address, photograph. If all is correct, sign the form and return it. If you have changed address, turned 18 by the qualifying date, or need corrections, fill the required section in the form or submit Form 6 where applicable. If you don't receive the form or you are missing in the draft roll, file a claim, objection as soon as possible. Don't wait until the final roll is published. Once it's finalized, corrections may be harder. Your vote is your voice, protect it. Why SIR is important? It brings in newly eligible voters, cleans out duplicate or ineligible entries, and strengthens the integrity of our electoral process. But there are challenges. Some voters fear they might be wrongly excluded if they don't complete the process in time. Migrants, students or individuals away from home may miss the enumeration visit or form. Some political groups have raised concerns about timing or transparency of SIR in certain regions. SIR can be a powerful tool if you engage actively and early. To wrap up, the Special Intensive Revision of Electoral Rolls is a significant opportunity and responsibility. It's an opportunity for every eligible citizen to ensure their name is included correctly. But the responsibility lies with you. Check, verify, act. Make sure you're part of the process, so when the next election comes, you're ready to cast your vote. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, like it, share it, and subscribe to Educashi for more.